people. The holy month of Ramadan is a month of sacrifice and cleansing for Muslims irrespective of age, economic and socio-political background. Ahead of this year's Ramadan, Olowo Ojuwoye Lcda held a second edition of pre-Ramadan and Qiblab Day celebration. The council chairman, Olowo Ojuwoye Lcda Razak Ajala, said the lecture is aimed at reminding Muslims on the things expected of them during and after the Ramadan. He urged them to take full advantage of the period to reap bountiful rewards from Allah.
Gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kí a ṣe àti nǹkan tó yẹ kí a jìnnà sí pàápàá jùlọ pàtàkì gbé sí shortly before Ramadan òun ni pé láti rán wa létí wípé kí ni nǹkan tí ó yẹ kí mùsùlùmí kí ló yẹ kí a ṣe nínú Ramadan kí ló yẹ ká ṣe tí Ramadan bá parí yẹn la sọ pé ìjókòó yìí àwọn máa gbé kalẹ̀ ní ọdọọdún.
A guest lecturer and Islamic scholar from Ilorin, Sheikh Uthman Sanu Shehu, charged Muslims not to neglect their poor but to take care of them. He stressed the need for love and unity among them. To spice up the celebration was a Quranic recitation and the prayer section for the Lcda, Lagos State and the nation.
Àlàáfíà Olowo lọ wọ́n ní kí ló ju àlàáfíà lọ Ànábì ní àlàámùnù fìlìbàlà ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ ìlú Ojuwoye lọ so Lagos State lápapọ̀ ọlọ́mọdé ó bàjẹ́ Lagos State lápapọ̀ ọlọ́mọdé ó bàjẹ́.
It is important that Muslims move closer to Almighty Allah in order to gain self-control and better understanding of God's gift.
Even after Ramadan period, we should continue with the goodness. We should not go back to our sin. And it is the time that we should talk about forgiveness, ask people for God for forgiveness. So we should not go back to our sin after the Ramadan.